guys, it is Monday, February 4th. Today I'm going to walk you guys through how to set up Metamask and how to use Metamask to log into the Ethereum dApp Cryptovoxels. And I'm going to explain how that works with OpenSea and how you can buy parcels and give a general explanation on kind of how all this stuff works. And then I'll expand the video from there. But I'm going to make this as simple and as easy as possible because I know there's a lot of people that are trying to figure this out. A lot of people that are younger kind of got an understanding, but there's a lot of people that are not millennials that need some help setting up stuff like this. So I'm going to try and make this as simple as possible and walk through it from start to finish. So let's just get started. Go to Google. It's very simple. Go to Google and type in Metamask. And then go to metamask.io and make sure you have the Chrome browser. If you don't have the Chrome browser, just Google how to download and set up Chrome browser. It's not that difficult because Metamask only works with Chrome and the Brave browser, but you don't need to worry about that at the moment. So go ahead and click on Get Chrome Extension for Metamask. It's going to open up the Chrome Web Store. Go to Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. All right. Welcome to Metamask. Metamask is a secure identity vault for Ethereum. It allows you to hold Ether and tokens and serves as your bridge to decentralized applications like Cryptovoxels. All right, so what you guys are going to do is you're going to set up a password. I'm just going to do a dummy account to show you how to set everything up. Go ahead and read through this and scroll down. Click Accept. Now they're going to give you what's called a secret key or a secret seed, whatever you want to call it. But this is very, very important. If you lose this and you forget how to log into MetaMask, or you can't get MetaMask on another computer, you can't get back into MetaMask. This is your only way to recover your funds and to get into MetaMask. So this is something you need to probably have more than one copy of. You should probably have a digital copy of your secret seed, and you should probably have a paper copy stashed somewhere. So we're going to go ahead. Almost knocked over the mic. Hold on. Technical difficulties. So we're going to go ahead and take a screenshot. We're going to save this to our desktop. Go to next. It's going to ask us to take that. So let's go find our screenshot here. Open this up. All right. So Galaxy, Hen, Air, Term, Valve, Turkey, Echo, Neck, Promotes, Convince, Head, Disease. And I'm not going to use this account for anything, so I wouldn't recommend use it either. This is just for an example, so please don't try and use this account because this is going to be online and anyone could get this secret key. And I'm not going to use it either, so just don't use this account. This is just for an example. I'm not going to put any money in this account either. And then okay, so it'll ask you to go ahead and deposit Ether if you want to right now. You can do it directly through Coinbase or directly through Shapeshift, I believe, which I haven't tried. But the easiest way is just to send Ether directly. It'll pop up with the address and everything you need. If you needed to export your private key somewhere else in the future, there is that option as well. But basically, this is what the full page looks like, but you don't even need the full page. It'll show up as an icon in the little bar up here in Chrome, so you can click on it and it'll give you everything you need to operate, deposit, and send, your balance, token history. If you have any tokens, you can add tokens, further account details. You can expand into this screen. I believe settings are in here too, under account details. Nope, not there. Settings are, you click on the little icon and then you can go to settings and you can play with that if you need to. But basically that's all you need to do. So once it's all set up and it's up here and you're signed in, don't forget your password either. Make it convenient for yourself. Go ahead and go to Cryptovoxels, and you'll be able to sign in right here, and it'll automatically link to your Metamask, and then you'll be able to go into Cryptovoxels. I'm going to do that in another video once some bugs have been fixed with the sign-in process, and then I'll take you into Cryptovoxels and we will explore everything with an account, and I'll show you how to build and navigate. The other thing I want to show you really quick on OpenSea is how you can go to and find different Ethereum decentralized applications, and you can use your MetaMask account to buy, sell, collect digital assets. So this is what OpenSea looks like. It's basically a digital marketplace for digital assets. If you go to rankings, it'll show you all of them by different classifications. I think this one's by 7-day volume. So there's My Crypto Heroes, Decentraland, CryptoKitties. A lot of these are going to be familiar to you. Ethereum. There's Cryptovoxels. If you click on it, it'll take you to the marketplace for Cryptovoxels, where you'll be able to see what is currently available to purchase. If you go to on sale, you'll see what you're able to buy immediately. So if you wanted to buy 28 math throughway, you'd be able to click buy now. And what it's going to do is it's going to connect automatically to your MetaMask. And then once you have Ethereum in here, all you got to do is hit confirm, and it does the rest for you. It's super, super easy. You can also make an offer and you can bid. So if you don't want to pay 0.5, but maybe you want to make an offer for 0.3 or 0.4 Ethereum, you can do that as well. And if the owner accepts, great. If he doesn't, he doesn't. That's at the discretion of the owner, unless there's a buy now amount. If there is a buy now amount, and then that is processed immediately through a smart contract. But that is how you set up MetaMask and how you access OpenSea and use OpenSea in a nutshell. And then in the next video I will jump into Cryptovoxels. I'm not doing it in this video because I'm not able to sign in. There's a bug with the website. It's not an issue though. It's just the process of signing in and attaching it to MetaMask so that you can operate under your account, under your Ethereum address. But since I can't do that today, we'll save that for another video. And I hope you guys find this helpful, and I will keep you updated on the next video. But enjoy your guys' Monday, and I'll see you guys soon.